What?
Sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Wrong.
What? I'm in a meeting. Okay, we'll see. Put him through. What the fuck is going on? I told you to never call me.
Sir, I'm so sorry to bother you, sir, but you said to notify you if there was an emergency.
Who the fuck is this?
Mickey Garnett, sir. I run the Springfield call center. Seems we've had a disgruntled customer.
So fucking what? We always have disgruntled customers. If they're not, then you're not doing your job. Wait, are you on a secure line?
Yes, sir, I'm using the app.
Then why are you bothering me? Call the attorney and start shoving back.
I don't think legal's gonna help much here.
Okay. Then what will?
A fire department?
Just tell me, what the fuck is going on?
Sure, sorry, this dude strolls past all our security talking how we're lying and stealing, then tears through my guys like tissue paper and
what?
and burns the place to the ground.
I'm sorry. What?
The call center's gone. I'm standing here looking at a $30 million building that's now a fucking ashtray.
Do we know who this disgruntled customer is?
No, sir, he didn't give a name.
I didn't ask if he gave a name, I asked if he did your job and figured out who burned down the fucking building!